Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Foreclosure Help 777, where we talk about everything foreclosure related. This is the Facebook page group of Foreclosure Help 777. If you're in foreclosure or about to be in foreclosure, you can join my private group and you can network with a bunch of other people that are also in foreclosure, and it's very helpful to see what other people are doing. So let's talk about Carrington's case today. We're going to give an update on his case in the federal court. Okay. His case number, in case you're new to this, is 1:24-CV-07575. Carrington versus PHH Mortgage Corporation. He filed his complaint on 10/31/24. The date of the last filing is today, 1/14/25. Let's find out what's been going on here. Okay, so the other side hasn't really answered the complaint. PHH Mortgage has been the only entity that's been served as far as what the court has recognized. They've answered the complaint. Now the other two parties in this lawsuit is Ronald Park of Henshaw and Culbertson and Henshaw and Culbertson. So there's three defendants in this. So let's look at the last thing that was filed, summons returned executed. That's for Henshaw and Culbertson. They were served today, so they have 21 days to file a response. And then yesterday, or actually, it was filed on 1/13/25, but entered on 1/14. That's today. That is for Ronald Park. So they've all three been given an issue of the summons and complaint, and they must answer it. I know that for PHH Mortgage, they have to file an answer by the 24th of this month. Let's look at what Carrington, he did file an amended complaint and leave to file amended complaint. And you can see right here, it says, motion for leave to file a document. Order on motion to leave to file. Then here's his amended complaint right there. So the judge did rule, and I can show you this ruling. It's right here. Basically, the reasons why we want to amend the complaint is to add the other two parties to the complaint separately. So the gist of this says the clerk of court is respectfully directed to issue summonses as to defendant Ronald Park and defendant Henshaw and Culbertson. Plaintiff shall serve Ronald Park and Henshaw and Culbertson with the summons and amended complaint by January 29, 2025. Defendant PHH Mortgage Corporation shall respond to plaintiff's amended complaint by January 24th, 2025. So that's how it's going. And of course, like I said, today his other two were served. Okay, the other thing we're going to talk about is his state case, which is currently an appeal status. His state court case, if you're new to this, is in NYSEF. That's NYSCEF. You can search as a guest for free, and the case number is 11234-2009. Wells Fargo Bank N.A. versus William Carrington. And in this case, he is the defendant, not the plaintiff. So he's fighting his foreclosure for 16 years, guys, which is unbelievable. He filed an appeal. He also filed a motion to re-argue because the trial made all these mistakes. The judge has not issued anything yet on the motion to re-argue. It is due back today, just so you know where he stands here. Okay, guys, a lot of you have been asking to look at his amended complaint, and I just wanted to point this out. If you go to this page and you look here at the front page, you'll see where it says files right here. You click on files, and there it is. His first amended complaint is right here. And there's other things in here you might want to look at too that are interesting. There's case law, New York trust law, robo litigation, the David J. Stern case, the Stephen J. Baum case, the orders for the Stephen J. Baum case, the federal bench book for judges, Carrington's original federal complaint is also in here. There's some discovery templates you can use if you're in discovery, requests for admission, and interrogatories. So the RBS lawsuit, U.S. bank role as trustee, that's interesting. So there's all kinds of good stuff here under files that you can look at. Motion to challenge authority to represent is a good one. MERS assignment checklist is a good one. All kinds of good stuff here, guys. Sabrina's complaint is in here. Sanctions is in here. The Lincemoniac is in here. Lindsay versus Wells Fargo is in here. Lamine, motion in Lamine is in here. If you're trying to suppress or exclude certain things from court, you'll want to file a motion in Lamine. And that's an example is also in here for that. So anyway, there's all kinds of good files here to look at on the Facebook page, Foreclosure Help 777. You can also send me an email to my email, which is foreclosurehelp777@gmail.com, and it's spelled with the number 4. So if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section below. And as always, everyone have a blessed day.